In lieu of the Nutrition Month celebration this year, we would like to... Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is another episode of Grammar Yan. In this video, we will be talking about in spite of, despite, and in lieu of. So without further ado, let's get it on. So let us begin with despite and in spite of. When we say in spite of, it's like saying that you will not be thwarted or you will not be prevented by that something. Despite means in spite of. So these two are actually synonymous. But the catch here is, the other one always uses the preposition of, while the other one stands alone. So remember this, despite does not need any preposition. Example, she won the race despite her sprained ankle. So you just say, despite what? She finished her studies despite their poverty. So again, despite does not need a preposition. On the other hand, in spite is always followed by of. So it's always in spite of. In spite of poverty, she was able to finish her studies. In spite of her sprained ankle, she finished the race. So despite poverty, despite the pandemic, despite hatred, despite the pain, despite doubt, in spite of poverty, in spite of doubt, in spite of depression, in spite of the pandemic. So despite, in spite of. The last phrase we will be discussing in this video is the phrase in lieu of. You are writing a business letter to your school head because you will be celebrating Nutrition Month. So you will say, in lieu of the Nutrition Month celebration this year, we would like to. In lieu of means instead or in place of something. So if you say in lieu of the Nutrition Month celebration, are you trying to replace the Nutrition Month celebration? So do not use in lieu as your introductory phrase.
Instead, what you can use is
in line with. So in line with the Nutrition Month celebration. So when do you use in lieu of? Example, in lieu of face-to-face learning, modular, blended, and online learning will be conducted. Instead of face-to-face learning, modular, blended, and online learning will be conducted. So that's it for our video. So I hope you learned something. So let's just go over that one last time. In spite of, so those are always three words. Despite and in lieu of means instead. So I hope that you learned something from the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and share the video, and let's continue learning. Let's make most of our new learning in this new normal, because at the end of the day, we all know that learning never stops. I'll see you next time. Thank you very much.